Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this section, I have given the formulas for stock levels and also we'll see how to find out reorder level, maximum level, minimum level and average stock level. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button so that you will get the notification of my next videos. We'll see the formulas. In the last section I have explained the concept of reorder level, maximum level, minimum level and average stock level. So here we are going to solve the problem. So we'll see the formula. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. And for finding the maximum level we have to use the formula reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. And for minimum level, the formula is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. And for average stock level, the formula is minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. So we'll see the first question. First we have to understand the question. Read the question carefully and understand it properly. From the following data for the last year, calculate store stock level. Maximum usage in a month 300 numbers, minimum usage in a month 200 numbers, average usage in a month 225 numbers, time lag for procurement of material maximum 6 months, minimum 2 months, and reorder quantity 750 numbers. So we have to first understand, read the question and understand it properly. The formula for reorder level is maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. So here the maximum consumption is given in the question, see 300 numbers. So 300, then maximum reorder period is 6 months. So it's given in the question. So 300 into 6 will get 1800 numbers. Next, for finding maximum level, the formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So first we have to find out the minimum consumption and minimum reorder period. So minimum consumption is given in the question, 200 numbers into minimum reorder period is 2 months, it's given in the question. So 200 into 2 will get 400. Then for reorder level, what we have calculated is 1000 to 800 plus, then reorder quantity is given in the question, right, 750 numbers. So 1800 plus 750 minus, first we have to calculate what's given in the bracket, that is 200 into 2, 400 will get. Then we have to calculate 1800 plus 750 minus 400 will get 2150. After finding the reorder level, maximum level, next we have to find out the minimum level. So in order to find out the minimum level, the formula is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. So first we have to find out this normal consumption and normal reorder period. So normal means it's average, both are same, right? So normal reorder period, the formula is maximum reorder period plus minimum reorder period divided by 2. So it's given in the question. 6 plus 2 divided by 2 we will get 4 months. Then we have to apply this in the formula of minimum level. So the normal consumption is given in the question, average usage is 225. So 225 into 4, 225 into 4, first we have to calculate, then we have to minus this from 1800. The answer is 900 numbers. Next one is average stock level. The formula for average stock level is minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. So here the minimum level we have find out, minimum level is 900. Then the reorder quantity is given in the question. So half of reorder quantity means half into 750. First we have to calculate this area. Then we have to add with 900. The answer will be 1275. Hope you have understood this question. So we will move to the next one. Read the question thoroughly and understand it. Two components of A and B are given. Normal usage 50 units per week of A and B. Then minimum usage 25, maximum usage 75. Reorder quantity for A is 300 units and for B it is 500 units. Then reorder period A is 4 to 6 weeks and for B it is 2 to 4 weeks. So we have to calculate reorder level, minimum level and maximum level and average stock level for each one. That is for A and B we have to calculate. So here the components for A and B each we have to calculate. So here the maximum consumption is 75 and for both, for A and B, the maximum consumption is 75, but maximum reorder period is different. See, for A it is 6 weeks and for B it is 4 weeks. So we have to calculate each. For A, 75 into 6 we will get 450 units and for B, 75 into 4 we will get 300 units. Next we have to calculate minimum level. The formula is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. So first, in order to find out the normal consumption, it means that average consumption, right? So here the average of 4 and 6, the average is 5. And here for B, for 2 and 4, the average is 3, right? So we can take the middle value or else we can add by 4 plus 6 divided by 2 will get 5. Then for B, 2 plus 4 divided by 2 will get 3. So do either by adding and divide by 2 or else we can take the middle value. So for the first one A, we will calculate normal consumption is 50 given in the question into normal reorder period. What we have calculated, the middle value is 5, right? So 50 into 5, first we have to calculate, that is 250, we'll get 250. Then we have to minus this 250 from 450, we'll get 200 units. Next, for component B, the normal consumption is 50 and the normal reorder period is 3. So 50 into 3 will get 150. Then we have to less this from 300. That is the reorder level. Reorder level is 300, which we have calculated here. So 300 minus 150 will get 150. After calculating the reorder level and the minimum level, next we have to calculate maximum level. So here the formula is, maximum level formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So minimum consumption is given in the question 25. For first we have to calculate for A. So 25 into minimum reorder period, it's here 4. For A, the component A, the minimum reorder period is 4. Then we have to calculate 25 into 4 first. We'll get 100. Then reorder level is 450, which we have calculated earlier. Then reorder quantity is 300 for A. Then minus 100, we'll get 650 units. Component B, reorder level is, which we have calculated earlier, the amount is 300 plus reorder quantity is given in the question 500 minus minimum consumption it's given in the question 25 into minimum reorder period, that is for B it is 2. So we first we have to calculate the minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. 25 into 2 will get 50. Then we have to add 300 plus 500, then minus 50 from that, will get 750 units. So after calculating the maximum level, next we can see average stock level. So the formula for average stock level is minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. Half of reorder quantity. So first we have to calculate for component A. Minimum level which we have calculated earlier is 200, right? So half of 300 will get 150. Then 200 plus 150 will get 350 units for component A. Then for component B, the formula is minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. So minimum level which we have calculated earlier for component B is 150. Then half of reorder quantity. For B, the reorder quantity is 500. So half of 500 we'll get 250. Then 250 plus 150 will get 400 units. So this is how we have to calculate reorder level, maximum level, minimum level and average stock level. So in next video I'll explain about economic order quantity. Hope you have liked my video. Thank you.